So in today's session, we have to see a filter named Liquify Filter. So let's get started with that filter and we'll see how it works. So we go to Filter menu and we look for Liquify. Okay, there is a shortcut for it, Shift Control X. Control could be replaced by Command for Mac. Okay, so when we press Liquify, what happens? This window pops up. Okay, and here is the tool saying face aware liquify. Okay, we drop down it and select face option is there, which says to select the face. There is only one face in this picture, so there is only one face available, so face one. Okay, so as you can see the options here, we can change the eye size. Okay, concentrate on the left eye of the girl. It's increasing, decreasing. You can see the difference. Okay, similarly the other eye, you can do it individually, and if you want them to be synchronized with each other, you have to just click this link button in between them. So I'm linking all of them to change the features uniformly. So if I increase the size, it will get increased and decreased like this. Okay, let's say I want to keep it a little bigger. So eye height, the vertical height of the eye should be smaller or bigger. So you can change it like that. Okay, eye width, similarly horizontal size of the eye. Similarly, eye tilt, the angle if it is tilted or not. Okay, so there is also eye distance, which says the eye distance between the both eyes. Okay, you can see the difference, right? So I'll keep it a little bit here. So nose height, the length of nose either increased or decreased. So we'll keep it here, I think, for now. Nose width, either it should be a bit bigger or smaller. So similarly, mouth options, there is smile option. Like if you increase this value, the sides of our mouth or lips were gone up, and it seems a little smiling. Not too much, but if we do it a little up to little extent, it gives a positive result. And if you drag it to the other side, it will go to the sad version. Okay, so you can also change that. Upper lip size, bigger or smaller. Similarly, lower lip, mouth width. Okay, the horizontal width of mouth either increasing or decreasing. So I'll keep it a bit here. So mouth height, the vertical height of the mouth. Okay, so similarly the last option here is face shape. The face shape says forehead, either it should be larger or smaller. Okay, keep it like this. Chin height, okay, smaller or larger. Jawline, you can now explore all these options. So face width, either smaller or say. So you see, this was the original and we have edited it to this. Okay, so you can change it according to you. So if I click OK, then it will be like this. Another use of Liquify filter is this. We'll show you to expand the picture. Okay, make sure to click this forward wrap tool here and then drag it like this. So this is also a function of Liquify tool. Okay, you can expand your pictures randomly like this according to your use. Okay, so maybe you can create a circle or anything you want. Okay, this will give you a pattern maybe, or anything you want to create, that is upon your application. So this is the Liquify tool, and I hope you understand this tool, and it has various applications. We'll see in the further classes which applications can it be used. And yeah, that's it for now. Thanks.